Welcome to the NIM Role Model Tutorial, Step 1, Provision Groups into AD. Before we can manage group memberships via a NIM role model, we need to create those groups in our target system. For this example, we'll assume a business logic with one-to-one correspondence of HR departments to AD groups. That is, we'll assume that each employee needs to be in one and only one group, and that the group is based on the employee's department. Let's start by creating a group filter. We'll create a filter that outputs a column with all departments in our CSV source system. Go to Processing, Filters. Click Add. For the filter name, enter HR 500 AD Group Create. Click Create. Now we will configure the filter. Select HR 500 departments as the start table. Click Filter to run the filter. The results are populated into the result pane. If the naming scheme of departments in the HR source system is different than the desired naming scheme of groups in the target system, a transformation is required. For this example, let's say we want to prefix department names with DEPGRP_. For example, the HR department ENDOC should become the target AD group DEPGRP_ENDOC. Go to the Column Specification tab. Click Add Script Column. Enter a column name. For this example, we'll name the column DEPGRP name. Enter your JavaScript in the code pane. We'll use the following JavaScript as shown. Click Test Script to execute your JavaScript code. The result appears in the script result value field. Click Save and exit. Click Filter to refresh the data. The HR 500 AD Group Create filter now contains the DEPGRP name column. Now, we'll create both include and exclude lookups for the DEPGRP name column. We'll be using the exclude lookup to dynamically create groups in AD, and then the include lookup in a role generator to assign those groups to roles. Go to the Lookup tab and create the following two shown lookups. Click Save. Go back to the Data tab. Click Filter Group Exclude to test the exclude lookup. It should return all 39 groups since they don't yet exist in AD. Click Filter Group Include to test the include lookup. It should return 0 groups since they also don't yet exist in AD. Now we will add a mapping. Go to Output, Mappings. Click Add. Enter the shown values. Click Save. Now let's configure the mapping. For the Mappings filter, select HR 500 AD Group Create, Group Exclude. Its columns are populated into the Items pane. We feed the exclude lookup into the Group Create mapping because it returns the groups that don't already exist in the target system, i.e., the groups that need to be created. In the Items pane, click the arrow button to preview the first record. For this example, we'll map the following attributes as shown. Click Save. Now, we'll manually test a single group create operation. Go to the Run tab. Select one of the rows in the Operation pane and click Run Selected Item. The group should be successfully created in the target AD system. Time to update the HR 500 add job. Go to Output, Jobs. For the HR 500 AD job, click Edit Job. Go to the Configuration tab. Click Add. For this job item, we'll select a type of CRUD, and for the name, we'll select the HR 500 AD Group Create mapping. We'll set the threshold to 1000. Click Save. Next, we will evaluate the job. Go to the Execution tab. Click Evaluate. After a few moments, the status changes to Initialized. This job will perform 39 group create operations. Lastly, let's run the job from the schedule. Go back to Scheduler, Overview. Click Manual Run for the HR 500 schedule. Ideally, the schedule executes successfully and 38 groups, minus the one we created during our test run, are created in AD. This concludes the NIM Role Model Tutorial Step 1.